on!
Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to today's video. It's a pretty cloudy, cold day, but we're gonna go hit up the AMP night track. Got the 125 already loaded up, and we're meeting my buddy Logan down there. We're gonna pick up Bryson too, and I think Bryson might help us film a little bit. Hop in the trusty old King Ranch, and let's get going. So I introduced this truck to you guys for the first time in my last video, if you guys watched that, and I still love it. I think it's one of my favorite vehicles, obviously other than the Bronco. Bronco will stay number one, but I'm super hyped on this thing still, and I cannot wait to, actually this one's staying stock. I have made that decision. Too many of my vehicles have been upgraded, and then they don't drive like a daily driver anymore. As you can see, the Bronco, believe it or not, and not too long ago either, was my daily driver, and now it is what it is, and I love it. So let's go ahead and get on the road here. All right, pulling in, I see a Mustang. So we're picking up Bryson right now, and then we need gas for my truck and my bike, and I already put the amount of oil I need, so I just need 1 gallon of gas today because I was running low on that 2-stroke mix. But here we are. And there he is. Hey! Say what's up.
What's up, vlog?
How was the Mustang today?
Doing good. A little dirty. Gotta wash it.
How's it feel waking up every day knowing you're faster than Camaros and you look better than Camaros and Hellcats?
Feels pretty nice.
How's it feel to wake up every day knowing that you just smoke a Scat Pack whenever you want?
Pretty nice. I get to rub it on my mom's face. She has a stupid Scat Pack. So.
Alright, on the way to get some gas and snacks from the gas station. Alright, gonna throw on the GoPro. Where's Bryson? Bryson's taking the 125 for a little rip. But yeah, gonna throw on the GoPro, take a couple laps. These jumps are huge out here at AMP, but they're fun. Say something to the vlog. What's up, vlog? Logan, tell us about that little one.
125 swap, 1992 Honda Z50.
Dang.
Motor, never changed the oil, been 2 years. Runs like a dream.
Thing's sick, bro. I've ridden it before. It's scary fast. Smoked my 110. Friggin' nuts.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Bryson and the wife beater.
Yes, sir.
Throwing the helmet on. Oh, you strap it in?
Yeah.
I just put the little click. Like, you know, it has a little button.
No, I actually strapped it in.
It stays on. I've crashed with it before.
I'll leave it like that, man. I won't even click the button.
It looks pretty redneck. The white beater with the old 2-stroke Honda. Oh crap. Alright, let's go watch it. Here he comes, getting passed by the 50 kids. Oh yeah! Side by side action. Coming into the turn. Alright, we're at the track. And they just shut off all the lights.
I was about to go hit it.
For real? Hey, was that an accident? For real. That's gotta be, they would tell everyone, right? Do you have your phone on you, anyone?
No. Dude, I was about to hit in the dark too. Midway, I know dang well midway I would have went pitch black.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
I was in the air and it just went dark.
I'm failing. This dude fell. What time is it? Track closes at 10.
It's 8 o'clock right now?
Yeah, it feels so much later.
It does, dude. I honestly thought it was 10. Dude, yeah, it's not supposed to turn off for another 2 hours.
Turn off these goggles. I was gonna hit that jump too.
Yeah, oh, you were out when they went off.
No.
Oh, okay.
I was standing right here, but I was cleaning up the goggles because they were fogged up. I was gonna go if they were not fogged.
See, like, what happens if you're in that section over there with a bunch of turns and you can't fucking see?
Dude, for real?
Like,
imagine being in the air when they turn off.
yeah, exactly.
He got a little headlight on that thing.
Oh yeah.
There we go. That's a little whip. I like that. I like that. Little bit. What you gotta say to the vlog?
You got a what?
What you gotta say to the vlog?
You got a what?
What you gotta say to the vlog?
I'm trying to whip. And then get kids like that who are like 9 years old and make me look bad. But I'm trying to whip. My hands are just like, they're tired, so I can't really, I'm scared to throw it a lot.
Yeah. No, you're getting it though. You're getting a little whip in there.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit. You just gotta keep doing it.
Yeah, bro, I gotta keep coming out here.
Yeah. Big jumper. We got a little race going on. Three-way race. We got a 250F, 125R. We got the 450. All right. He's good! Stay there!
Hell yeah.
He's good! Stay there! Logan, what happened?
Ah! It's bleeding.
Alright, hold on! Your dick's bleeding.
Bro.
Are we going?
Fuck.
Are we going?
I don't know. What's happening?
You wanna race again, the two last standing ones?
Hold on, give me 5 minutes. I'll race again.
Nobody, he just hit his balls.
I came down, bro. I was like, in there, I was like, oh, I'm fucking clearing that. Boom! Fuck.
Racing full! Oh, you smashed the nut? Alright, we're gonna do part 2 of this race. Part 2, last time. One person jumped too early. Alright, when the rock hits the ground. Y'all ready? You ready? Ready?
Hang on, let me get one more whip for the GoPro. Or another whip. You can't say one more. That whip. Okay. I'm gonna load up my 125. When I push it up, no matter how hard I struggle, no one help me, okay?
Okay.
Even if I'm gonna fall off the back. Well, maybe if I'm gonna fall, help me. Oh, GoPro, what's up? Stop recording.
So small. It's so hard to ride this thing. It's so hard to ride this thing.
I know.